Hi everybody, welcome to Wax Melt Wednesdays. My name is Tracy, this is the 3-Wick Thesis candle channel, and today I have a haul from iheartwax. A little bit of a two-parter. One of the items was a sampler that she had as a ready to ship. It was like leftovers, but then it got combined with the pre-order from April 13th that I had placed, just a few cents. I only picked up 4. So I'm going to share with you the stuff I actually picked first, and then I'll get into what I got for the mystery bag summer sampler. Okay, one of them I picked up is the Toad Suck Dayz. And I was watching, I think it was Terry, over at, what is her new channel name? Wicked something poor. I'll put it up here. I can't remember what her new channel name is. But she was asking, what is Toad Suck Dayz? What is that? I Googled it. It looks like it's some sort of festival that happens in Arkansas. Is that where she's at? Yeah, she's in Arkansas. Scent notes are salty, soft baked pretzels, gooey caramel apples, funnel cake, and fluffy cotton candy. So clearly a carnival scent, which y'all know. I am in love with anything with pretzel in it these days. Oh yeah. This just smells like Cider Lane from Bath & Body Works. I wonder if this is like a Cider Lane dupe oil. I was going to try to get it out of the tub so that I could smell the bottom, but it is really stuck in there. It's not coming out, so we'll just sniff the top. She does put embellishments in her wax, which I'm not a fan of, but I know people think it's pretty. It does look pretty. I just don't like picking it out of my warmers, and I feel like it just stays in there for days, even if I wipe it out with an alcohol swab. But yeah, if you like Cider Lane, you would like that scent. I also picked up one of her bars, brittles. What does she call these? Snap Bar. In All About That Grape. It's blue cotton candy, grape bubblegum, grape gumdrop candy, and grape blow pops. A lot of grape. Yeah, it's grape. It smells most like a grape blow pop to me. It's like candy-like, super syrupy. I think it will go really well with my grape soda scent from Goose Creek. Yeah, straight up grape blow pop. That's amazing if you like grape. I also got the cartoon Kidz with the hubs in mind, also in the Snap Bar. This is Juicy Pink Bubblegum, Fruity Pebbles type, Vanilla Waffle Cone, and Fruity Loops type. I don't know if he's going to like the bubblegum note in here, though. I don't know if I'm going to like the bubblegum note in here. It's really weird. I'm going to have to melt it. I feel like I get the Fruit Loops. It's like your classic lime, lemon, zesty Fruit Loop vibe. But then the bubblegum is trying to overpower it, and it's not really blending with it. It almost just feels like two different scents battling it out. And I don't get waffle cone at all. It's weird. I'm going to have to melt it. I don't know how I feel about that one. I don't like the bubblegum in it. I was hoping it would be more Fruit Loops and Fruity Pebbles than what it is. And then the other thing I pre-ordered was a tub of I've Got a Crush. And this is commodity milk type, yellow cake, salted caramel, and Shiroza 71 type. I know that's a perfume, but I don't know what that smells like. Oh, the hubs are like this. Although I feel like this is all salted caramel. I want more commodity milk. It reminds me quite a bit of the new, salted toffee candle from Bath & Body Works. It's a whole lot of salted caramel with perfuminess, like a ambiguous perfume vibe in the background. It's gonna have to be warmed, I think. Again, I want to smell the bottom, but the wax is too soft. It won't come out of here. And the wax isn't warm. This has been sitting in my living room almost a month. I'm just now unboxing it. So I think the hubs will like it. That's not what I thought it was going to be. Not sure I'm a fan of that. She also sent me a sample in peanut butter cupcakes and cookies. I'm always looking for a good peanut butter scent. Yeah, it smells like a peanut butter cookie. Almost like a Nutter Butter. Not quite as peanut buttery as a Nutter Butter, but like Nutter Butter vibes. Yeah, I like it. Not a huge fan of peanut butter oil just because I'm still looking for one that feels authentic. And then it looks like she sent 1 bar and 2 tubs as my sampler. Ooh, this will be interesting. It is pineapple waves. Pineapple can go one way or the other for me, so let's see what I think. It's pineapple whip type, hello. Pineapple slices, pina colada, a splash of coral waves, and it says it's been slightly reformulated. Oh. Oh yeah, that's good. I love it. It is like a dried pineapple scent to me though. I don't feel like this is pineapple whip. Is that a perfume or something? I thought it was like Dole Whip was the thought I had. But it's not creamy enough, not lactonic enough to be Dole Whip. Instead, it smells like a really high-pitched natural pineapple, but like dried. There's like a sweet, almost like gummy aspect to it. Yeah, this smells more like a pineapple gummy bear to me. The white ones, or clear ones, technically. Yeah, I like that. OMG. If I didn't know any better, I'd say she chose this for me. A Cakey Situation strawberry pound cake. Y'all, you know I'm in my strawberry era. Birthday cake, vanilla wafer cookies, and buttercream frosted cupcakes. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's amazing. I get mostly vanilla cake and vanilla frosting. I get like buttercream. So it's like vanilla frosting that's really rich and buttery with a vanilla cake that feels light and fluffy and just a hint of strawberry. Artificial strawberry. And the wafer notes in there. It's like it almost smells like a vanilla cookie. But like a shortbread cookie, not a wafer cookie. Oh my gosh. This is going directly into my melt basket. I love it so much. And then the last one I also feel like was made for me, beach ice cream and cupcakes. I don't know, is this like a beach nights and cupcakes? Oh, yes it is. Oh my gosh. I want to both eat this and slather my body with it. It is like edible body care. The beach nights is strong and present, perfumey. But then there's like a sweetness and creaminess to it that smells like dessert and amplifies the edible notes in the beach nights. This might be my favorite in the bunch. So excited to try this one. My second favorite would have to be Toad Suck Dayz. I like that it smells like Cider Lane. Then I would have to go with the Cakey Situation. Notice that 2 of these are ones I didn't even pick, so maybe I should not pick my own wax scents. Then I would go with another one I didn't pick. Pineapple Waves. I think next would be Peanut Butter Cupcakes and Cookies. Another one I didn't pick. I've Got a Crush would be next. All About That Grape is an amazing grape scent. I'm just not always a grape fan. So I think objectively this is an amazing scent and probably deserves to be higher up on my list. But for me, it's a little bit lower. And then the oddball, possibly a mistake buy for me, is Cartoon Kidz. So happy to give these new ones a try. Love that she's selected or gave me some scents that I would absolutely love. More than the ones I picked out for myself in the spring pre-order. So happy to have a nice mix of like spring and summer. Can't wait to dig into these. Tell me in the comments below, what did you pick up from iHeart for the spring or summer pre-orders? Did you get a sampler? If so, what were you given? Do you have any questions for me, either about the vendor or these scents on cold? I haven't melted any of these yet. Or if you've melted them and you want to give me some input, I love that as well. Put that below. If you like my Wax Melt Wednesdays episodes, make sure you give me a thumbs up before you take off. Subscribe if you want to see me show up in your YouTube feed. And I'll see you again tomorrow for my Weekend Deals episode. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.